It is 2 a.m. in the morning. We're going somewhere and it's 2 a.m. in the morning. Hi, this is LeeAnne and today is December 30. Huh? Pakidala sabi. And we are going to somewhere.
7-Eleven.
Yeah, we're going to 7-Eleven. We're going to buy food for breakfast. And we are actually traveling to where?
I don't know.
Where are we traveling?
I don't know.
Yes. Oh, there's a food over there as well. Breakfast food. I wanna go pee.
Mama. What? What, Mama? Over there.
Yeah. I wanna go pee. Ay, naama na din hi. Oh, this is what I like.
Ay, gusto magugog sa bawchok. Pagdali ang tamukhaan mo.
Hindi ko ito.
Joke.
Joke. Chicken. Manghihis ako ba? Ay, naapot siya yan. I'm hungry. Unsa sulod ano dito ka ba?
Ani saya like. Onsen may ni mo. May say mo.
Ano ba?
Onsen lang.
Anong unsin?
Ano ba noodles?
To eat breakfast, our food is sticky rice and chicken. Mamaya. Sige. Mamaya na lang. Kain na lang muna.
Kay bulas ng sili yung tao. Sayang.
Ayoko mag-inom ng marami kasi ihi.
Kamay lang nga niya ako.
Yung green gusto ko. Ayun oh. Itong green. Itong green. Ay, nakalang. Bago pa. May isa na lang. Sabi ka. Nang Roy. Hi! It's Valentine's Day!
Yeah, but
Valentine's Day in December. Hi, we are in the mushroom. We're in the mushroom shop. We're in the mushroom restaurant. Let's see if this is really cool. Maybe not. Yay! Oh,
ส่งความติดต่อเจ้าหน้าที่At least may hari ka
We have the farm here. We have here mushroom juice. Let me see if this one is really yummy. So we're going inside the mushroom. Kasi ano to? Pwede tong gawing ano. Uy. Pwede gawing 5 months? 20?
Every 1 week you can pluck expire by 5 months.
Oh,
I show you the ingredient in a minute. The soy, the white one.
how to do it?
Yeah. Next room is how to do it.
Golden
Okay.
Golden oyster mushroom.
mushroom.
This is it.
This is rare.
Okay, this is a
And
very
next one I
rare
will show you
mushroom
how
from
we grow
Europe.
mushroom.
So they have here, but
Next one I show you how we
how many months is this already? 5 months?
Nearly 5 months.
Nearly 5 months, but only a little mushroom came out.
The bigger inside.
Ah,
I show you
how?
next one.
The temperature is
24.
24 lang?
Cool.
Cool.
They like cool.
Okay.
Okay, next room I show you how we grow the mushroom.
Uh-huh. Let's go to the next room.
And we can bring home. Cannot. Have to see first.
Okay. Ani alay na ka?
This one the sawdust from rubber tree.
Sawdust from rubber
This one
trees.
Epsom salt. All mixed together in the machine.
Yeah, which is the best sawdust? The best for mushroom. You like
This one the best for mushroom to grow.
จริงเหรอ
Mix all of
This
yeah,
one.
mix all of those. Yeah. Okay. Mix all of those and then put inside the plastic. Plastic have to be 130 thick one. After this we go steam for kill bacteria and germs.
How many times you use this?
Pardon?
How many days you use this? How many
This
times?
one we put the seed first. The seed and then we grow.
No, how many times it will grow?
20 times.
20 times.
20 times or 30 times.
20
Between 5 months or 6 months.
We can harvest 6 months.
Yeah. Every week for 6 months.
Oh.
We plug and then they follow come out when you spray water. That's why you see on the floor. We
Yeah,
put
yeah,
the
yeah.
sand to cool down. Because the mushroom they dry damp and cool to grow. And this one put it inside, stand for no air, and then we put the lid in the middle. Because
Okay.
the mushroom come only one way out.
Yeah.
Come one way out, and then when 1 week you can plug, and then follow coming again. Every
Oh.
week for 5 months. But if by this way, they come out same, but use a lot of soil. That's why only 2-3 months to come out. Under the light. Inside the mushroom from the
Why it
seed.
has smoke?
Spore. The seed from the mushroom. This good for your brain, protect Alzheimer, and protect cancer from your life.
Sponge.
This one every 2 weeks you can pluck. This one is supplied by 1 year.
1 year?
Every 2 weeks for 1 year.
Do you sell that kind of mushroom?
Pardon? You see pink mushroom? Yeah, you see inside it will fly soon. This one. Inside is every 1 week for 5 months.
Okay, this mushroom is good for high blood daw. Oyster mushroom come from
If you want to see spores, look under the line. They have spore because this start 1 month already. Spore will drop from under the line until 2.5 months. Because this one the concentrate then another mushroom.
Also,
But
these
this
are the
packing.
seeds.
This one we collect, see? They dropping out every time.
They smell like cocoa.
This one, chocolate.
Chocolate mushroom. Oh, this is what you call
And
chocolate
this one, the one in the world, you can see spore and you can catch spore for medicine. High blood pressure, cholesterol, any allergic cancer and young skin.
wow.
Because this one, they have heating inside, clear out the immune system. จากเมื่อวานมีเวียดนามมาด้วยค่ะ
คนฟิลิปปินส์ค่ะ
ฟิลิปปินส์
ใช่ค่ะ So are you ready to drink?
Yes, I'm ready
Let's-
to drink.
Let's see.
Can take picture นะ
ใช่ใช่ค่ะ อันนี้ติด picture นะคะ อันนี้วิดีโอนะคะ อันนี้ชื่ออะไรนะคะ
ชื่อสุค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะมากๆ อันนี้อร่อย
It smells like a real mushroom.
Yeah, it's a real mushroom.
อันนี้ sweet
No sugar.
A little bit sugar, 5% sugar.
5%
5%
Has
sugar.
5% sugar and 7 types of mushroom.
This one, the one we walk around to see, is a pink color, good for eye. It's a lychee, good for body.
And what else?
So 7 kind of mushroom.
Mushrooms.
And this is my first time to drink mushroom lah.
Try.
This is my first time. Ja first.
It's good.
It's jelly from the fiber, the
yeah.
vegetable
I
packet
taste
and
some
yanaki
jelly.
matsutake. That's why I feel like a jelly.
And the
Good for
texture,
healthy.
it's kind of jelly-like.
Jelly.
And I think did you use brown sugar?
Yeah, brown sugar, correct.
I can taste the brown sugar.
Yeah, brown sugar, 5% brown sugar.
I can taste the brown mushroom.
mushroom.
The brown mushroom from there.
And the color is brown inside.
You can come try more for fermented mushroom.
This is how it looks. Doesn't really smell bad, no?
Yeah, it tastes good.
And this is so healthy. That's why we're drinking this. Jaja and I is drinking
Yes.
are drinking this.
Cheers.
Cheers! ไปแล้ว
This is a good business.
fermented mushroom this one careful your head นะ
Wow,
fermented mushroom
fermented.
yes free taste but if you like you can order
fermented mushroom.
fermented
อันนี้
mushroom
YouTube นะคะ
you too โอ้ put in Philippines เหรอ
ใช่ค่ะ
อายจังเลยไอ้ชายแล้วเนี่ย
Fermented mushroom. I wanna.
mix from blackberry rice garlic and salt sour นะ from the natural
Yummy.
ยังมีไหม can order นะ
Tastes like
Mushroom.
sour from fermented mushroom from blackberry rice cooked already mix with garlic and salt then sour from natural
มันไหมเท่าไหร่คะ
160 บาทค่ะ
That one is calling.
160 and you can put in the him do for put in the box for you and salad
แฟนนะคะ ไปแล้ว
โอ้เป็นผู้ชาย
ขอบคุณค่ะ
เป็นไปเร็ว
Coming na. Sige na, coming na. Go, grabe ka. Wala mo nga. We are traveling to inform.
To explore.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะมาก
Have a nice day นะ
ๆ You too ค่ะ Oh, this grapes. Look.
นะครับแล้วเราจะหวาน
Grapes, nugay ka pangayo ha.
Ayan siya.
แล้วคิดดูดิครับได้ครับเขาหวานอร่อยได้ครับ
Have you tried this? This one really tastes good. Doesn't smell like mushroom at all. Come on.
Thanks. I'm good.
Hi guys, nandito tayo sa strawberry farm. At mag-strawberry picking tayo. We'll see. We'll see if anong nagataas kasi siya. Pinapababa ko. Oh, look at these tomatoes. Look. Very, very cute. Ayan. Ito yung tinatawag nila na cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Look. Ang cute. Cherry tomatoes. No?
Ano why na-harvest din ito? Ito nagdagan.
Ano yan? Magpunta ka lang. Ah, tapos bayaran?
Grapes naman to. Wala na pa. Wala na pa. Ano ka malutakan? Layo pa kayo. Ta. Wala kasi dasi siya. Dili na dito ka kuan kani.
We are in Italy. We just arrived in Italy. Mga turista sa Italian.
Ciao, baby.
Sa ganito dyan. Yung mga ano dyan sa Italy dyan.
Sang?
Sa Italy.
Ang ako nga.
Greetings.
Ciao. Ciao. Oh, sorry. Ciao.
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 Chan?
Bellissima.
Si Bellissima.
Bellissimo.
Bellissima.
Bellissimo.
Me? Bellissima.
Okay.
This is different.
Magnifico. Bravo. Bravo.
Bravo. Lasagna.
Pizza.
Pizza, lasagna, fettuccine. Mario. Luigi.
Hindi madalda.
Hindi naman. Sila lang na. tayo sa Italy. Italy na to eh. Ano, picture na tayo. Wala pa tayong picture.
Bilahan kayo. May ano na, Dre?
Manguan sa tatong mga buhok. Kasi sa amin.
Asa?